somebody in southern Arizona would experience. What we mean by economic drought is not necessarily the same thing that the weatherman means by a drought. And it's really important to identify these very different definitions in order to manage our responses. We have to understand each other's vocabulary. A few observations, just thinking about the organizational aspect. Again, I work for a professional society, and I want to tell you a bit about how a professional society functions. First, small can be better. You get a lot more opportunity for extended interactions, especially in a small meeting. ESA's annual meeting attracts 3,000 to 4,000, sometimes 4,500 people every year. We have 20 simultaneous paper sessions at any given time. You get to interact with a lot of people, but finding them is really hard. And getting to interact with specific people can be almost impossible. I've had years when I couldn't have found my best friend at these meetings. And ESA is relatively modest in size compared to some other organizations that have meetings of 10,000 people. Having meetings of 100 people can be really exciting. Disciplines are dynamic. Anybody involved in environmental issues knows that. And there's always a need to cross disciplinary boundaries. It extends back a century. The very first article published in the ESA Bulletin in 1920 is a speech by the ESA then president, who has this wonderful passage about the need to be interdisciplinary, nearly a century ago. We're still fighting that battle, and it's because it's dynamic. It doesn't go away. New disciplines arise, and you need to keep crossing those. And these kinds of conferences can help facilitate that process. This conference had, in my experience so far at ESA, a lot more collaboration among our various program offices than is typical. We work together. We work in the same place. We talk to each other all the time.